How to fix can't open file app on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Files app not opening on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, head over to your settings, and after you're on your settings, go to your Apple account settings. Now after you're there, you'll need to go to iCloud. Now under iCloud, go to Drive, and on this drive, make sure that your iPhone is synced. Now, if it's already synced, make sure to turn it off and turn it back on. After you do that, check if your file app is working correctly now. And if it's not working, you can simply go back and head over to your app store. Now I'll give you an alternative app for that file app. So go ahead and search for documents on your app store. And if you want to use some other apps alternative to the file app, you can use this app. Now this app is really similar to your files app, and you can save documents, files, and even audios and so much more in this very app. So this is a great app. You can try this. And if you want to use your files app again, you can simply go to your settings. Now let me go back. Now go back to your settings, go to general, and go to iPhone storage. Now under iPhone storage, search for files app. Let me just search for it. Now after you're here, simply offload the app and reinstall it. After you do that, your problem should get fixed. And if still that does not fix your problem, simply log out from your Apple account and log back in, and that will fix your problem. And yeah, that is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.